This video shows you how to make falafel, also known as ta'miyah, which is a chickpea-based food that originates from the Middle East and North Africa. It's typically eaten in a sandwich, to complement a meal or a salad, or on its own with a dip. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. A detailed list of ingredients is in the description box. First, make sure to soak the dry chickpeas overnight in a lot of water. We used 1 kilogram of chickpeas and left them soaking in this bowl from yesterday. They become visibly thicker and softer, as you can see. Next, we thoroughly check through the chickpeas to take out any and all of the bad ones. There are always at least a few, and it's quite obvious which ones should be taken out. Then we roughly chopped up the 6 onions. We then added 6 peeled garlic cloves to the onion bowl. Now this is a key step. We added all the chickpeas, onions, garlic, coriander and dill to a food mincer. If you use a food processor instead of a food mincer, you need to be careful about the consistency of the mix. You don't want it to be too thin when we come to fry it. Once everything has been minced together, it should look like this. We then added cumin powder, curry powder, dried coriander, salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, sesame seeds, baking powder and 2 eggs, then mixed it really well. Now it's time to fry them. Have a bowl of cold water next to you to rinse your hands. You can use a shape mold if you prefer, or your hands like we did. If you use your hands, rinse them first, then grab a small amount big enough to flatten on the palm of your hands. You can play around with different shapes, but it's important not to make them too thin so they don't come out dry, or too thick so they're cooked in the middle. Then fry them in the hot oil. Flip them over when one side is a dark goldeny brown colour so they can fry evenly. They should be ready to take out when both sides are this colour. Have a plate with the tissue placed on it ready to take them out. The tissue should help drain the excess oils. When they're cool, they're ready to eat. Here we're eating them in a wrap with an aubergine and potato salad, pickles and feta cheese. The great thing about falafel is that you can have them with many different things. Check out how we used them in our fava beans recipe, the link's in the description box. We hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.